Hello and welcome to BrawtaSports tutorials. Today we're covering gameplay statistics for football, the beautiful game. So what's GPS? Very good question. Quite simply, it's a sequence of actions that can take place between your goalkeeper, defensive line, midfielders and forwards. We're talking about corners, fouls, throw-ins, goal assists, shots on target, shots off target, and so many other attributes, 17 in all. You have been chosen by your team to record this very valuable information. So let's get started. The sheet, as you can see, has GPS 18 on it, meaning it has 18 rows. This is downloadable from the website at BrawtaSports.net. You record the date and time, again straightforward. You record the venue that you're playing at. And remember, you need to complete all this information on your sheet before you actually start playing. In the header section, you also have the league or round that you're playing. So if it's D Cup first round, you basically fill in that right there. The sheet team refers to the team that you're doing the recording for. The opponent, obviously, the person that you're playing. The statisticians refer to the two statisticians that will be actually doing the recording. You fill in your name there. This further section refers to the half that you're recording, whether the first half, second half, or in the case of a knockout, extended first half, extended second half. So for knockouts, you will need 4 sheets just in case, and for a normal round robin, you just need 2 sheets. As we scroll over to the left side of the document, you can see you'll have 17 rows here. Before the game starts, you should complete this section with all your starters plus your reserves. And you should also do that for the second sheet as well. At the bottom, you have number of spectators that are starting, which is just an approximation you need to complete, and the formation that your team is playing. Once you have done that, you have basically completed the first step of the process. And now we go into the much more detailed section of the various actions that a particular athlete can take while they're playing a match. As you can see, 1 crosses, 2 fouls, 3 fouls as well. 1 is against, 1 is committed. 4 and 5 refers to throw-ins. 6 intercepts. 7 clear chances. Now all of these are explained in the instructions on the very last sheet. Option 8 through 10 is talking about goals, whether assists, shots on target, shots off target. 11, 12 is referring to corner kicks, whether they were earned or they were conceded. (13) and 14 is referring to offside and goal saves and blocks, while 15, 16 and 17 is chief reserve for penalty taking. As mentioned before, we have a detailed explanation sheet that is also downloadable from our website. As you can see, it goes into very detailed information about all the 17 attributes, giving a full explanation of exactly what they do. Please make sure you get familiar with this. Okay, gentlemen, good afternoon. Thanks for joining me today. Today we have with us 2 Haida representatives and 2 representatives from Knox who will be doing statistics collation for BrawtaSports. Gentlemen, introduce yourselves, please.
I'm Chovy Cunningham.
Brandon Simpson.
Jeffrey Bailey.
Matthew Forbes.
Okay, thank you for that. Now, as you guys know, there's a core reason behind doing statistics collation. It's very simple. We have a lot of effort being made by young men playing the Costa Cup, playing Manning Cup, but have very little to show for it in terms of recognition of what's happening, particularly in the midfield. Think about it. We have forwards, and you obviously have associated with that position the golden boot, i.e. the amount of goals that particular forward scores. However, for the centre half, for the defensive line, there's absolutely no recording there. For the goalkeeper, we have the golden glove. This is the goalkeeper with the least amount of goals having passed him. Now, what happens in the midfield? This is the issue that we're trying to address, or definitely will be addressed when we actually use our statistics collation sheets. So what we have here is the Haida representatives going through in detail, jotting down the information associated with the particular, his particular team. Okay, Brandon, can you walk me through what you're doing now, please?
Well, I'm filling out my form for the match. You know, we're playing a 4-3-3 system with a single defensive midfielder, which is Dale Reed. Here's the formation here, but you know, we walking through, ensuring everything is okay and running smooth.
So in the first instance, you filled out the date?
The date, which the venue is Knox College.
So you fill that in now? Okay, what's the league? That's just a practice match, so we'll put practice match there. Normally that would be perhaps be Manning Cup, correct?
Okay.
For Haida.
And the team.
Okay, the sheet team means what? What does that mean?
The team you're assisting.
Okay, that's Haida in this instance?
Yeah.
And the team that you're...
Opponent is Knox College.
Okay, excellent. And you're going to put your name there where it says statistician.
Brandon Simpson.
Okay, we're doing the first half in this instance. So you're just going to circle or check the first half. Okay, and then you're going to come down. What's your formation?
A 4-3-3 system.
Okay, normally at the bottom of the sheet you actually have a space for the 4-3-3 system on all the other sheets, but it's not shown here.
Okay, thanks.
And you're just going to put the names coming down the left side of everyone who's playing, correct?
With the number as well.
Number as well, okay.
Okay,
excellent.
thank you very much.
So Jeffrey of Knox, tell me what you actually did here, please.
Well, I actually fill out the statistics sheet. We're having a practice game here against Heidel. And basically I have all the members of the team who are playing today and the venue.
Okay, this looks excellent. Thanks a lot. So, gentlemen, having completed the sheets, do you have any questions?
Well, this sheet, I guess, will assist you guys with the Manning Cup. So, after all, this will help you guys to pick the person who should get the Golden Globes, etc., right?
This sheet will be used across the board for a number of things. One of the things, like what you're mentioning, it will be potentially used for. In each instance, we have 2 statisticians from each team. In this instance, we have Treve from Heidel as well as Brandon. In this instance, Treve will be the person who is spotting, i.e. he's the person who is looking at the field and reporting back to Brandon the specifics of what's happening. Brandon will be the recorder, and he'll basically be just taking notes as far as the activities being reported to him by Treve. In this instance, we have 2 representatives from Knox College as well. We have Jeffrey, who will be the recorder, and he will be recording the information fed to him by Matthew, who will be the spotter.
Joe conceded by Sean.
Right name. Sean right name.
Crowd up. Pass by Caddy. Pass intercept.
Well done.
Goal kick to excess, yeah. Pass complete by Tariq.
Bring up a team now, Terry. Bring up a team. Bring up a team, Terry.
Pass complete by Combs.
Well done, Tom. Get your
By
top.
who?
Combs.
Remember, we're not recording passes.
What pass?
Oh, interception.
Interception.
Oh, interception. Okay. Only interception.
You have the breeze bang.
Rack through the through rack.
Throw one by Caddy.
Lance behind us walk on, Terry. Sean, where you back off? Don't back off, Sean. No, bit no man.
Who can see
Foul
that?
by Combs.
Combs?
Yeah.
We got the marking. Start the 15. Well done.
Intercept by Wayne.
Work same way,
Intercept
work
by
same way.
Combs.
Complete the man. Faster than that, man.
Throw
Come
one.
for the two now.
Who won that, sir? Who won that, sir?
Caddy. Throw concede by Top. Intercept by Jordan.
Fresh time.
Intercept by Dunks. Throw one by Caddy. Intercept by Jordan.
Don't make it drop. Head the ball now. Get out of here, so we have to kick on the ball for. Go. Go by him, man. Go help him up, cut in.
Throw concede by Top. By Top. Concede.
So earned by Cadine.
Thrown one by Top.
One by Thorpe.
Hey. Stop.
Throw one by
Get the ball,
Top.
you can't get back the ball.
By who?
Tarp.
Again?
Yeah.
Aliman intercepts. Come, Aliman intercepts a while ago.
Clear chance by Cadine.
Clear chance, please.
Cadine clear chance.
Is that a corner? Corner one by Cadine.
Go, Bernie. Check for the team now. Push the team now, Adi. Push the team now.
Randy Baptiste just conceded a throw-in. Stefan just conceded a throw-in. When again? Maestro. Tyrone Rule just wanna throw in. Tyrone Rule just want himself another throw in.
Bernie, got it, sir.
Dwayne Williams just completed a square. Across. Tyrone Wool just won himself a foul. Just earned a foul. Foul earned. Yeah. What a foul. Kenroy Perry just gave his team a throw in.
It's a foul conceded by Linda. So I'm sorry, committed by Linda. And it's a cross from Javon Jones. You put the cross, Javon Jones. Cross by Javon Jones, you put that one. And it's a throw conceded by Flemings. And it's a square from Bolga, Raheem Roberts. Oh, it's a shot from Romian. Well, off. On target. And it's a foul from Aki Monteith. And that's a goal save from Sheldon. Oh. And that's a cross from Malcolm Flemings. And that's a foul conceded by O'Shane. And that's a cross from Richard Orts. That's a cross from Akeem Monteith. That's a throwing conceded by Akeem Monteith. And that's a foul by Akeem Monteith. And that's a save from Sheldon. Throw earned by Javon Jones. And that's a cross from Malcolm. Throw conceded by Akeem Manteet. Foul committed by Malcolm Flemings.
Once completed, your GPS form should look like this. With this, you can now go to our website at BrawtaSports.net and follow the instructions to input this valuable information. Well done.